Welcome back to the Fanhome Enterprise-D. We are going to knock out stage pack 97. Working on a book 25 still. This one should be fairly easy. Putting a panel in place right here. So let's ready it up. Hopefully everyone is doing good out there. All your dreams and desires are coming true. Unless they are evil. Okay. It looks like we are going to have some parts we're going to have to keep on tap for future kit pack. Oop, I need these pieces out. Come on now. Get that screw pack out of here. Thanks for everyone that's tuning into these. Ooh, I almost lost this little guy. Don't want to lose that. I'm going to set that in this little Harbor Freight tray here. Got some screws from the last build still sitting in there. Okay. Get our deck panel out. Ooh, bumped ya. This is die cast. Let's get down a little closer to the action. Alright, we got to put our escape lifeboats in place. I'm going to roll these out real fast. Roll these out. I'm just going to roll all of them out, set anything that's extra on the side. Okay, and the way we orient these, the red line is going to go down towards the wider lip of the assembly like that. So let me stick all these in place. Even these could have been, you know, they design everything individually. Windows, these, but if they had used like window panels like this on everything, even lifeboat, escape raft, whatever you call them, assemblies instead of individuals, I still think it would have been fun to put together, just a little less tedious and frustrating in certain areas, but we are getting closer and closer to completion. Alright, those are in. Let's see, I need this black piece right here. Let me check my orientation. This is L316. It's going to get oriented. Yeah, it's got little cupped areas on the underside to fit over these little studs. There we go, like that. AM, 2 AM screws, and the M, oh that's IM, that's FM. Okay, here we go, another. So we have 3 different screw packs for this little kit, this little stage. I mean, come on now. Alright, AM, let me get these 2 of these out. The M stands for metal. As mentioned before, use a little 3-in-1 oil. I got some staged up in the tray here. That'll help it cut its way into the metal other side, because it's not threaded on the other side. So that is a top tip as you dip your tip, like Den Scourge loves to say. Okay, some down pressure, screw that in. That one is snugged in place. Get another screw loaded up. Dipped it in the oil. Snuggied. Double check. Make sure I oriented everything right. I did. Okay. Let's Let's see here. Oh, we have this edge of the saucer piece we're going to place on. I do believe it only goes on one way. I think yep, it goes on this way. It's got little nubs to line it up like this. And this one's going to get secured with IM screws. They have a little fat head washer looking thing built into them. Get two of those out. Hold up my screwdriver and let me bring my oil back over. Dip tip. This may be a 10-minute vid if I don't mess around. Maybe one of the shorter ones. Dip tip. Gotta have a lot of down pressure with these when it's going into the metal. Let me double check this other one. Okay. That's that. It's very important when I install this panel, make sure this portion of the edge piece actually fits underneath this. So, and then we got these little lips are gonna kind of feed into there, lock into place. So let me see how well this does. So you can see, let me just bring you down what can happen. And I had this happen on a previous, I don't know what issue it was. See how this bottom panel is not locked, the lip isn't under it. And I had secured them in like that, and they looked good, and I had done several of them. I had to take several of them back off because I wasn't paying attention. So you got to make sure that this actually gets fed under and around. And it may take some working and squirming. Come on now. Come on. Ah! Oh! Oh, you weren't even on camera. So I get you an angle here because I wasn't even showing this, but I need to get this gap closed up. I need to have this lip underneath, which it is currently. Yeah, come on. What in the world? There we go. Got it. Just like that. Had to hold my tongue just right, I guess. So let me make sure that we are fully under. I don't know if I can show this on camera. Yep, looks like we are tucked under. Okay. Alright. That was a bit of a struggle, but I got it in place. Okay. Now, secure it in place with two FMs. So one there and one there. Get these FM screws out. And load on the screwdriver, 3-in-1. Where's my little oiler tray? Dip it in the oil. Supporting the underside with my hand. Putting a lot of down pressure in this. And it screws in. You can see the paint, the black paint, kind of flake out. You just gotta blow that off later. Where's my other FM screw? Final screw. Dip the tip in the oil. It's going to go into here. And we have that faux escape pod panel that'll cover that up. Come on. Get in there. Yeah! Woo! Got that. Now, get our little escape pod cover. Make sure we get it oriented correctly. Get these little nubbins lined up kind of even before you press them in. There we go. That one went in easy peasy. And with that, this may be one of the quicker ones. This stage pack is done. That was 97. Next up, we'll be doing this panel and a little bit of work on another piece. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching. One more down. One more to go in this book. Then we have about 6 more boxes for each to go. Boom. Little light show as a bonus. Thanks for watching.